What's up, guys? Again, today we have another day with the maxx right here by the river today, if we can call this a river. And one of my bearings apparently going out, the rear bearing. I don't know if you can see the tire is going like a little bit twist, and if I go, yeah, I don't know if you can hear that noise. Pretty clear. Oh well, still good. Still moving, it's still good. Gotta check that one tomorrow, I guess. Alright. Come on, come on. You can make it. You can make it. Yeah. Yeah. After this last Sunday, I think those bearings just give up. It's alright though. I believe I have another set in the house, but I don't know. Might have to run to the store and get some more. Still running kind of good, but that's the only thing I'm concerned about, that bearing. And it's getting loud. Besides that, it was dusty. I don't think it's gonna be the the differentials. I don't know. We have to check that tomorrow too. But for now, it's still kind of doable. I just have to check for the guys on the bikes. I don't want to hit no one with this one. It's nice, but it's a little bit narrow to run this baby. Right on, dude. Oh yeah, that bearing is gone. I believe that. Now we're gonna keep doing having fun in here. Sorry if this video is a little bit windy and slow for you guys, and you want to see more action, and I want to have it too, but I don't have nowhere. There's a fence. There's the river, but I don't want to go down there. It's considered trespassing, and I don't want to do that. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this little short video, and I'll catch you up later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, guys. See ya.